How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily find if someone is online on your Snapchat. So first thing, simply head over to your Snapchat and simply click on your profile icon at the left. And once you click on your profile icon, you will be redirected to this section where you can see my friends under the friends section. So simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will see loads of your friends, all of your friends, from ranging from A to Z. And what you can do is simply select on any of one of them, just like this. Yeah, and once you click on any one of them, what you can do is simply select on their profile icon like this, and if they have set it their activity status to on, you will be seeing a green dot on the right next to their profile, which denotes that they are online right now. So to confirm, another way, that is, if even if they have not shown their green tick, that is active status, on their profile, what you can do is simply type in any message to send them like this. And once you send them any message, what you can do is simply head over to your chat like this. And once you're inside your chat, simply select on that person, and if that person is online, then they will probably be seen as opened or typing on based on their status. So that is it guys, that is the only way to check if someone is online on Snapchat. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.